as the penultimate day in the month of October 2025. We are so glad to rejoice in. Tibebi Obiano Kaisa Sompa 106.5 FM. We are biano free no munu empire mukopim nunum empire mubiano. Yet the forgotten country Jumedino at the Brew. Remember, show we live on Facebook. Yeah, best remo. If you really want to follow the programs right here, Pamadin Sisia Nako Facebook, Nako your program Sompa 106.5 FM. Nasaka you say show live on TikTok, also on Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, and again we are live on YouTube. YouTube, and also here Sompa 106.5 FM Accra live. You go I beji break now what you do program. You are liberty to comment on the program. And you be DBN, you can comment on the and you be DBN. Oh, Bomadina do comment. A brega, Yabaji Bressone, as you say, Yakin can get the amount. That's a kind you say. Yeah, try Adisha 180 and then I say you made your way. You would be Kwahudu or my Fahoka. So you may kuno a idea, Yedi one a ding Ebetuja and Cheb. Somebody has just stepped on my toe, say, about you've forgotten about 180 and a multi TV digger box, the radio session, and also Kwa with Aquina now was waiting a live here on Sompa 106.5 FM for God and Country. Remember, say show no cost biano. Also, betting me share no one like page. And the woman biano, betting me a following war. Your TikTok page, your Facebook page, your YouTube account, and remember, say one is what a war fetchman suit and I was Sompa 106.1 FM. Like again, Kai say 180 and I was Takwaso so a fire and I was Sompa 101.1 FM. Remember, this show is countrywide. So if you really want to speak and you want to be heard, your voice want to be heard as a politician, as a social commentator, Kai say ha and alba ubenya ebreno na wakasama ubia atino wiase afana hi baby. I've told you it's already countrywide, but Kai said you maybe to say, you know, you were born for one so as an idiot kind a Lextar Company Limited on one of my bombarding. I got a yacht toothpaste and a yacht toothbrush up Benjamin. So my catcher say, so you saying now we num dawa. Lextar Company Limited for and power on their Benjamin. So I pause saying papa, ni brush, papa. I dear that's what I yas toothpaste, ni yas toothbrush. And no, you become on so much now. Wabra, you know, a cost on Asaka, you say, I am a demon for Herbal Center. Dr. Time that's so papa, we obey you, may pa doctor, we obey you one time quick. And what you call why I Saturday. Abaning tempestuously. Yare bia, yare kwankro, wakwache, uje wine jibiano, Medima for Herbal Center, and I now do any chira, or bebo upon my bombarding tuba, and namonga coho, and pa, oh, my Irish women, or moyaring tempestuously. The baby obia uti and biano, Kai, Sompa 106.5 FM for God and Country, and Hifa, and I am Medima for Herbal Center, and I said, Dr. Time, that's so a war number Ben, our friend Siswa, Ubenyana, only be komo ni nyina no ba betodwa e wodwumadie mu na saka ise Electroland Ghana Limited for so asene kese pa pakache say wo mo no mode eye electronics papa badwaman so electronics o mode badwaman so no kama pa product bia wo hia bia in terms of electronics bia no obamodin na do ni kire eye Electroland Ghana Limited a be pa cho ade a won sabeka wo mo production na durable like ifa e na akwa obenya na electronics ben no moton tags ben no moton ebusia yemfa ni nyina enkamemo and awie live here on Sompa 106.5 FM medical catch us say ye woduduo bi organa ha e no no ma eboa pa sa duduo no eye kaba pa na ye na nanom kan tetifo no da o ma enum duduo anopa na enyu so ya first thing now so kobodudu basabri ejumeko bi adien down so eye tontina 74 wo de dudu abadwaman so abafu kwan so eti pacho opeso hu bebie wo ne dwumako a idea koso ene tie dwumadie no ye mfa nkame na nsanka say Beverages, Bella Quafo, so aboy, aso yasanepa, Tibebia Obiano, Ebusia, and Comma, Ebabetu Jai, Kai say, Omo aso yasane Casepa. Now, Yaka Beverages Ghana. Anum dear Ben, no with that bedroom so, Arokodoko dear, and penny for the womb, and Koda de womb, Arokodok dear Bena, Ewo Jaman so asabri. It is so refreshing to every Ghanaian anytime you sip from Beverages Ghana. But also to John Levy live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But I mean, now me Pato Aquaba. Pato that is saying.
Prof. Major so.
Bibi Abokode.
Yes, Utiase.
Yes, Utiase. Yes, Utiase. Okay. So yes, Utiase. They are not just a Bibi.
Yeah. Well, so far as Otias yes, you be doing kunim.
Yes, you be doing kunim.
Yeah. Because he lives, we can face tomorrow.
Because he lives.
That's right.
We can face tomorrow. Because he lives, we can
face tomorrow. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone, and now I know, yes I know, he holds the future, and life is worth the living just because he lives.
Me pata woni e de bruta.
Me that's it.
Na album ne be.
Nam kwazo den.
Na put him odun be backing vocalical amount.
I do chirim.
Be ameti e me bo abuchi part we chiri.
So sir.
Senior Bright, the executive producer of the show. Ababa backing. Now lead vocalist. And then obe Sarfo Kantanka. Your social media page.
Sarfo Kantanka.
No stream.
Prof Sarfo asem o yen kanwie yo.
O ya asem mega.
Abara na o breaking heart nla.
Sarfo akasa de ho sam doso. Was Sarfo ro ye kase kan ho asema. Producer asem ntia break.
Aye.
Ti say abro when cry the cassette e obi ntia break. I'm saying Chamakwesi wo.
Chamakwesi wo. O ga say o di case on ntia break. O say o ntia break. Prof nyame adom wasade na adom ye na Monday 29 September 2025. Nyame adom na ma ya te ase. Abarwa bitun mi referee abarwa ne din. Na o say woda na sade a chenwa emfa wa ye nkomo bia frise nyame ne wo ediniye.
Na say nyame ne ye ngadi.
That's right. It's nyame ne ye na diniye. Okay bibi so say onyame na ne boda kro ono a nanim da kro mu nsem na da kro mu nsem nso ye hu enti se woda na sade a chenwa emfa wa se dan nkomo bia frise na nyame na ne wo ediniye.
Me that was say, but today what I want to share, with our listeners is that the scary part of life is that any day can be the last day you talk to somebody.
Any day.
The scary part of life is that any day can be the last day you talk to somebody. Be careful how you treat people and stay humble.
Da bia betimi aye da your last time unu obi be kasa and unu obi be din kita
and as about last time on earth
enti woni obi yade a ye hu se ade na ni nipa ko ne ye no ne kwan so na ye ne de trene so ano because e bia na nipa na one ne yesa no wa hu ne biem.
The scary part of life is that any day can be the last day you talk to somebody.
Yes.
Any day can be the last day.
The last time
so be careful
how
you treat people.
Sanya woni nkrofo etu anamon anase wo treating nkrofo
and stay humble.
Na bro ho ase. Ahobrase wie mankonimdie.
Sure.
A strong word. Yeah, it's very strong. I think it's a metro me at state of this. Strong. Nipa kita ho de ho hia.
And enkomo yeba bedi e wa hada na say obi said na bochi mfa mo lines na into dwama ye mfre. And I'm say time ne nyanso ye abusua say ebo no mu ye ne mo bedi enkomo. Kyle numbers are phrases so 0260 196064 0260 196065. 57% of Ghanaians prefer Baumia to lead NPP. Why not say a global info analytics? Ura Musa Dankwa, the CEO of Global Info Analytics, said about the two say, Ghana this year, 57% of them prefer say Baumia ebe lead NPP. And yet NPP addition ground. You see the Ghanaian population. Ghanaian population. 57% of them. As of the time, now OSR research, 57% of Ghanaians prefer Baumia to lead the new patriotic party. Okay. Yababa moding Erasan Kumemu. And live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. And Global Info Analytics. Hey. Now, why is Global Info Analytics always centering on Haruna Idrisu? Or say Haruna Idrisu leads NDC 2028 flag bearership race. I think last week we spoke about
last week.
And also Global Info Analytics and the buy here. And then we Chairman Abronye. Nano Okekan Sambi.
Pasaka bim.
And I said, well, say Abronye dear. Ye ni free the police grapes, Wasade and Sambi Ababe to two.
Then go say Black Maria and
Black Maria and Echino. Bepacho and Koma or the 2 year nimino. Bepatam Beshada Nanka, my butcher, Yeneti for. I don't know if it is here, but I'm just looking for it to do a play of the voice of a year, Chairman Abronye. Actually, we the best say, na in Sabeka voice, na ya born in Navy. Actually, said the incorporate, Sanko Moisu, because MPP Amanyo Kuno, Eddie Ababa Danye and say, and then idea in somewhere Abronye any chairman wound to me, kika say, voter register no, a cromono, Sansam no, more cano. Or more MPP for sense as somebody. Okay. Almost who free home. Almost treat a free sassam no. Okay. And you know, me pay you know Nanka. My baba bo Eddie my unity for live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. As somewhere Abronye can ye. You see a butcher unity for. Now your boy new year. Chairman won't to me dear no so. You better say you be Nanka. Ono so ye di ne die na ya bo etino abusia yenko tie die Abronye ekan ye me tie abon na ye be ye no me na me ye ho adwuma abon na wa bono region no eduru say ye ko polling station abon na me na me ye ho adwuma enti wa wote WhatsApp platform so aso ko pe MPB atunu e be duro na din nim because won to bi me say won to bi when it samu pass abon so abano won to be because me nya sore ne me nya ti free na ye mfa homa ntwe me akiri e de se me kwa koduru ba bia se me ka kire car no me ye apostle ko Joseph me ka break nim nti car ne kwa me de me nsa bo car no mu ana car na nkasa agina me nya break ntum nti me ka se won to bia police station one make sure say it's a matter of phone call. Nam si nipa sumasi mon kra na free system no me no wa wie. Ati mun yai dede no. This is not the first time MPC be here. I declare support to the presidential candidate. Nana do danko akofo. Until at the end of the day no, dede ni ada pa mu twanyina ba omya ba we ni na won so yehu. And now, obiti platform so MPP pioneer. Now, who MPP contributing? MPP ya the power. MPP ya organizing MPP 2010 to 2016. Why would the WhatsApp platform so I would create MPP pioneer? Now, where were you? Why would the WhatsApp platform so and a Kodia a go MPP? Kodia a go MPP. Tamana Kodia ya regional youth organizer. Na kodua ye adwuma wa Asante region to make sure say obema mabuna pie aye adwuma ma MPP awene wa wote WhatsApp platform so where were you at the time sabunima ye ni kodua no penso as a youth organizers all the bloody full work ye the MPP ba power and to one now question say MPP pioneer baby akodua the MPP akwa koduru pioneer at that time no
na ye ni Kodua no as a youth organizers. Yes, a mumu bebre ni ma Kodua was a youth organizer. Mo amudi Kennedy achi mo mudu do na akra nim se Kennedy ayi Kodua ye original youth organizer da mo nim. Me original youth organizer na Kodua so original youth organizer. All the bloody full work ye edi MPP ba power. Eti utuana kwa MPP pa ni babi Kodua di ko ya kwa kodu wa wo kan MPP pa no kama ye organize MPP pa na wo fine wo contribution wa MPP mu wo dia na sa o datore na MPP awene ana una ministry to ministry wo
Abusiafo we ni nsemo a eye abronye edi tudwa na nkomo ibe to dwa ya na MPP party general secretary ede krata ba bonten say sansem we a abronye any chairman wontumi eken eyade a wo mo de wo mo twe wo ho fi asemi ho na the response ben so na aye Kennedy a Japan team no ede aba ma minko kenkan aye response aye Kennedy a Japan team no ede aba. And of course mo amuhwen e YouTube mo amuhwen e Facebook Madam Bukafe Sabri uko aye was do so a obehu aye reaction a free the Kennedy a Japan's outfit aba eto ba binji dresses ya na men kenkan you know emfama mesere Sarfo say bazum ni kakra dia ba be na chese betimi akenkan ni ye na tiefo a ehwe wo social media so abomoding ayeden edechiri. This one is from the Ken campaign team, dated Sunday 28th September 2025. Press statement: sanction Ashanti and Bunu regional chairman for gross antipathy conduct. Our attention has been drawn to two disturbing videos circulating on social media in which Mr. Bernard Entwibwe-Siako, Chairman Wontumi, and Mr. Kwame Bafo Abronye, regional chairman for the Ashanti and Bunu regions, respectively, are heard alleging manipulation of the NPP's electoral register and processes to favor a particular candidate ahead of the January 2025 presidential January 2026, I beg your pardon, presidential primaries. This comment amounts to gross misconduct and a grave violation of the party's constitution, Article 47. They do not only damage the reputation of the NPP as a democratic institution, but also directly threaten the credibility and unity of the upcoming presidential primaries. The two individuals involved are not ordinary party members. As members of both the National Executive Committee and the National Council, referring to Article 10(3)(4) of the NPP Constitution, two of the highest decision-making organs of the party, their words carry weight. For this reason, it is wholly inadequate for the party leadership to simply disassociate itself from their reckless utterances. It has to be both condemned and sanctioned. We therefore recommend that the NEC and the National Council of the New Patriotic Party immediately summon the two regional chairmen before the appropriate disciplinary bodies and processes. Such decisive action is necessary to send a clear signal that no individual, regardless of rank or status, is above the rules of our party. Failure to act swiftly and decisively would only reinforce the widespread perception of bias and lend credibility to the dangerous narrative that there is indeed a calculated orchestration to skew the process in favor of a particular candidate. The integrity of our primaries and the unity of our party cannot be left at the mercy of indiscipline and recklessness commentary. Finally, we assure the rank and file of the party that Team Ken remains resolute in its commitment to a transparent, free, and fair electoral process. We have put in place a robust anti-rigging architecture to safeguard the sanctity and integrity of the upcoming primaries and would call on all party faithfuls to remain vigilant. Signed, Kwesi Kwatan, Esquire, law lecturer and campaign spokesperson to Honorable Kennedy Japan. And they say their motto is patriotism, honesty, and discipline. Chairman Kwesipoku Eddie and Komo. So what do we reach Taba West constituency? One on our chairman, what that I know. Chairman, my Yama Kwababa for God and country. So on SOMPA 106.5 FM, I won't cry. Now, what am I saying?
You never I didn't hear. Kennedy for far speech in America. Al Jazeera in Asia. Oh, there. You know.
Just Nyame Esha no animunyam ampa because Nyame aye bidodo na me GDP said Nyame ama yenkwa yeda so ete yenkwa mu de na aseda ene ye de bema Nyame na ba o ka bi say Kennedy ya Japan akopie US abrochireme mu den re ne kopie o
abano the New York branch external branches so to abani Gina a campaign and Kennedy and number person because NGO external branches I do America any diaspora. And I think it was a program campaign program and I could deliver message. The message of hope. Mama Boti I said the baby is gonna need an entrepreneur. The baby is gonna need people with vision. The baby is gonna need people who are very courageous. Ghana needs people who are very disciplined to move Ghana to the next level. I think that was the message. I call any dance from Ghana. And if you look at and you hear the feedback that are coming, about some kind of talk about that's bad.
But said the work can global info analytics Eddie and she should be about the 12 bonting as or say why survey be that survey be our you know. And Cherry Biano, Ghana for Ghana for this year on the draw 57%. Ever say Dr. Baumia ever leading the New Patriotic Party. Maybe sir, if you move to Joya and you be a Mohuana.
Oh, we don't brush anything under the carpet.
Yeah.
We don't brush anything under the carpet.
But idea bomu huana.
So can about in a political calendar one day in Mobia no Kwaba where we near you and upon your Kwaba was on special radio. I don't want to move and move in and go on and say, and one day in a political calendar can do anything. We are focused. We are making sure that we don't leave any stone unturned. In the end, why did he? Saying you're talking, every survey was pointing at Trump losing the election, and definitely Trump won, but Trump won, Abi. Don't be any 100% day. If there's any margins of error, 2% can happen, and just know what we are focused and. Yeah, we're moving for AIGD for so. Once you say something, you have something you have to get into the and I don't think. And also, you say you have a ball at the chair in the T4, but we at the good end of friend and I say, you who say more issue a year press statement be now press statement, most say a year party, I'm paying for entry a year chairman, Abronye, and Bernard entry, we see a quant to do an friend chairman, won't to me aso. Any essence say woma kwa komeki some comment bia mumu fees say comment no enya dia ebeboa elections na ebeba so nyame adoma 31st of January 2026 na comment yi beto dwei mo reaction ya ba beto dwei anya bia na say no I don't know whether you have heard the general secretary of your party respond to this particular press statement. I mean, that's something I just said. General Secretary, just because you're a lover boy, no. But we need General Secretary. From day one, and I can start to come and go for the above. I was on the chair of Papa and me, and I got about it and yellow cream. My papa, my father, Kennedy, and Japan serves a living God. Oga ga imagine all the cast of no mukam. Empire have both food so and near me war my jum with the man. Is always the account and I was in yellow crap. Book up for evidence. Our evidence is German and Chibosiako. Good day. And for me, General Secretary Baka, maybe on only team power money. But neck near brother group, General, a secretary get to the neck. Omo Makana, a power couple here, and in me. at all soon to my saying Yamina, when you are working elder not Google.
Menyankai.
And I can
But Chairman question for quick. But Mimbisa a quick one. Asami beto dwei. Yatese Chairman Abronye so akasa. Na watchra or see in some nama bonten say or no akase or manipulate the mu register me kwa to aba de yibu candy ni for the new patriotic party no. Or say a horror doctorate. And again, Chairman, won't to Mrs. Ababonten, so I about to just say, as someone, or so cocaine, you know, a dear General Secretary Party in for Agina no SC Bonnet.
Sir, Uchiedi or Ejiboza Goluka, a kind of a new place, or the customer no one to teach What are there? Anybody, some will make a council. Let's put on record. Go for me anyway, if you are still in leadership position. Whoever becomes a fight player, winning power will be very difficult. Then go for me anyway.
But some maka say, some way I babeto jano. Any response every mo party in penny for buy, you know. Response in shut toss mu papa. And then what you are saying, then say, I was say, yet you almost near punish you. So just coming, just saying, just saying, say. Asam no mo beka no mo party penyin for no omo twe omo ho free ho no omo twe omo ho free ho no no enye enough na as a party are taking this decision I don't think mo camp no you will not be happy with the kind of decision your party are taking.
From day one we've always been saying the top bottom down approach one you people dey cause them up I don't say the eka uka pre be the Sarfo be now. Any part of neck, if you go to neck, these two personalities, I'm told, the way they can behave. If I'm not careful, I'm sorry, these are the people, MPP. Nana Kufa to MPP, President Kufa MPP.
No, I'm coming. Did I just get you right? You had said, sir, one more neck meeting. Something you inform me anyway. Chairman Abronya ni Chairman won to me. Yeah, woman misbehave our neck meeting.
Very indisciplined leaders of our party. Any would be.
What can I say? Say woman neck meeting during the meeting. No, woman misbehave during the meeting. You are not a member of the neck, so how do you know?
I'm not a member of the neck. My neck no membership. The neck no me members. And who says everybody is happy with the kind of attitude they put up at neck? Who says it?
So I'm connect meeting they misbehave over there.
They misbehave. I can fine. Maybe my definition of misbehave and your definition.
So what's your definition of the misbehavior you're talking about?
And we are there. And they about you know.
Ebini saying.
Who are whole regional chairman. I MPP album no share on no you say on the way. I don't get obi oto jo to kranka onu onyemo smo kaka jo to sell kranka.
But he said, sir, that part of his comment never to abonting, you know, it was doctored and no kind.
Maybe I don't because it was a live program. Tell everybody I watched the program. It was a live. She was on live program. And you live from one doctor. I was watching the program. It was a live program. What is he talking about? And I don't know because of them. Send me who for that. Who for that?
And today, I say, me patrol. Say, then I'm a party here.
What I am saying is that the party must crack the whip. Say the Usu party anybody in Ayaka to Usu Bank and say, the party must crack the whip. The general secretary is my general secretary. General, for once, let us see that really you are giving everybody a level playing field. He should be able to crack the whip. And yes, I will be able to really mean himself because of support to our way to be and crack the whip. He needs to crack the whip.
But you know, sir, you made reference to Osu Bempadieno. Osu Bempadieno, it was a petition that was sent to the leadership of the party. That is why he's been called to face the disciplinary committee. But as I'm see, wait. As I'm see, more petition, the National Executive Council of the party. Have you sent any petition requesting for discipline of these two people?
You see, Only citizen arrest. Only citizen arrest.
But our party so if there is a stated misbehavior, there must be a petition to that effect. I didn't move for petition and conquer down party paying for.
I didn't general secretary actually over here radio so catch them. I didn't general secretary watching. I didn't watch you over here catch them. What the general secretary say is condemning the act. Condemning which act? Tell me. Condemning which act? Catch them. What act is the general secretary condemning? That is behavior of just chairman from Yenua, almost chairman Bonnie Edimba MPP Muda. Chairman from Yenua, if Kennedy over Umio, every year, Pasbear, now they are common people waiting here to be chairman of Yenua. Only year will soon be buying any MPP quick to about 10 times. 10 for Subano and I'm general secretary area. Not the one I criticism in the radio. The general secretary and I'm Bonnie. And say on MPP party no and them attack can say and regional chairman from you akoye akwa kan wa run me o ma school kan on kon we so ko LLB subana or order radio zone time
SOMPA FM.
Now I'm asking you, Mebacho, what is preventing Tim Ken from petitioning the National Executive Committee and for that matter the NC of the New Patriotic Party? You don't want to send any petition?
You see, at the end of the party, radio so I defend it. I didn't know who defended it. I had a papa who defended it. You need a petition, only a petition before you can act on it.
But your party has a constitution. You have a constitution that guides you.
Don't worry. I am promising you that by close of day tomorrow, me, Gwedifoku, chairman, MPP, Tamawe, who will petition against the government of Subai, market somewhere. Me, Gwedifoku, who will petition against the conduct of the two. The National Executive Committee must sanction them.
And what kind of sanction would you think, sir, would be appropriate to fix them?
They need to step aside. They need to step aside. Okay, the album we are review. And the people when you say money pen album, and you're number one. Number two, or this is it, on the here bottom down approach. I am probably a reversing bottom down approach. So they are back. They are back. If you remember the back, I didn't show you, let me hear you. I'm a different truth. I mean, see. I said, Papa, let me see. I was in vengeance of the Lord. Apart from the I shall not touch my notice and do my servant no harm. Kennedy, I was saying a media plan. Any, I really need other year. Or so you have been got a seven when you're young. You don't want to now. Okay, and I'm kind. Soon be the beauty of my kind.
Auntie Nyami Aduma, Ochina by close of day, no mobile petition, party in paying for.
Yes, it's something else. Yes.
All right, Chairman Facebook, my nurse is Oma Hokwama, Yenu Dinko, but General Secretary Ababeka say, Sasamuya Abetudre, no, he can act unless he would be relying on a petition. And once you have said, sir, mobile petition, the leadership of the party, you know, I believe, sir, per your constitution, with the kind of articles you have stated in your press statement, you know, then I believe it's going to be in an orderly way. Because if you do it that way, we believe, sir, you now be following the tenets of your constitution. Maybe Chairman Kwesipo kuna ati semene ni din komo no sabere wo de we lecture MPP Tema West constituency one any party chairman ewo ho, and of course he's also one of the lead members of the Kennedy Ejepon campaign for the presidential primaries race Baso Nyame Adoma 31st of August 2026. Mami kona me ma mempenyim for akwaba da ebaba not today.
Why a pinso?
Abazi no why pinso.
More code easy.
Then I also.
On cherry biana mambatina.
Yeah.
Namkade the current MPP CCLA. Why be headless? Why be headless and lawless party? There's no leadership in MPP. there's no leadership.
Me pacho sasa na kan o se den
me say on che bia na me betina ha.
Yeah.
Na me ka de MPP party no. Or your current MPP. Yeah. Why by a headless and lawless party. There's no leadership in MPP. If there's really leadership in MPP, inche General Secretary on your letter. No on distance no or the party from the statement abroad you make it.
But you don't think that's the first step I will also take it?
Immediately. Say also was suspending. You see, area party as in to talk him to serve as a deterrent to others so that people don't repeat the mistakes of others. When I was youth organizer of MPP, 2007, your colleague on na munyankunyi Kofi Kumsin Chronicle newspaper editor.
Yeah.
Na Kofi Kumsin was Safumafu. Na Mimwalen. So I was teasing him. Now I'm catching there. No matter what happens, Alan will get all the 10 votes in Cape Coast constituency. That time, the Nimpa 10 what to about from each constituency.
Sure.
Now, because of elections, misunderstanding be or publish them. Text message number that time no WhatsApp na zinyo text message I'm sending man
or
publish on the front page. The executive of the party youth organizer Messi Alan win 10 votes for Cape Coast. The party suspended me.
The party suspended you. And what did your constitution then say? And the constitution, the current constitution of the party, is also saying now.
You see, party doesn't have to wait. Constitution reading you don't have to. Party doesn't have to wait for someone to report before you take action. Instead, they say obese bonus will be a report here. The party will sit aloof. No, that's not the that's not the party. But I have
someone who baby and Chairman Abronya equally has come out to say
and what did they respond? The party has responded. It means when you must okay. So you don't distance yourself. You take action. There's no leadership in MPP. It's headless party. I'm disappointed there. Because focus online, wakoto abama kodia general secretary. Ina suban ordinary. Say,
but it's working very hard now. When you look at the leadership of the New Patriotic Party, it looks as if Onongwane is the last man standing.
No, there's no man standing. So only last man and MPP has no man. If this is the last man standing, the MPP has no man.
If who?
If Kodua, you say Kodua is the last man standing.
Yes, I'm
saying that if Kodua is the last man standing, then MPP is not standing.
If the general secretary,
I know. So the general secretary, who? Or your hufu, what can it be a hufu? Or your Fiero, or Bio Strazi, then John Straza, Abron, your suspension. Want to be suspension so that others will learn lessons. That's how we build a political party. If you think a party,
you and I know.
Ejenim Boateng, yes, general secretary of the party. Dan Botwe, general secretary of the party. Do you think some of these things will happen?
But when him say before,
when you're a fool, why a fool?
Listen, the highest taking decision body of your party, annual delegate conference. From there, we have the National Council, and then we have the NEC. And General Secretary cannot take the decision without consultation or without any meaningful decision being arrived at the National Council or at the NEC.
So you call emergency meeting, you take decision, you suspend the person. If that is what will help the party. But you see, I grow easy I grow MP for a reason. Obiani Manzama Totoko. Now, for Abronya to get the audacity to say that, for one to me to get the audacity to say that, Maka Cho there.
No, Abronya said the table was doctored.
Maka Cho there. Say, what today in Konkontiba, Ugunshina, you are worried so. No, in Tredan Casaba by in Washington, I say, for Abronya to have the effrontery to say what he said. For one to me to say, you see the same thing.
The tape was doctored.
No tape has been doctored. Okay,
Dr. Bob, you have Dr. Tipui.
I just what's what doctor? So there's a doctor there.
Okay, so you let's listen. Except for me, 10 years, say Tipui, a doctor, that's a doctor.
Me, I'm a métier. I born on your bay and a man, I may have one. Abona wabono region e duru say ye kwa polling station abona me na me ye ho adwuma anti wa wote WhatsApp platform so aso kope MPB atunu e beduro na din nim because won to bi me say won to bi woni samu pass aboni nso aba no won to bi because me nya sore ne me nya ti free ne ye mfa homa ntwem akiri e de se me kwa koduru ba bia se me catch the car no me apostle ko Joseph me car break nim nti car no kwa me de me sabo car no mu ana car na nkasa gina me nye break ntum nti me ka say won to bia police station one me make sure say it's a matter of phone call na me si nipa sumasi mon kra na free system no me no wa wie ati mon nya dede no. This is not the first time MPC bia me amemetie abona ye be ye no me na me ye ho adwuma abona wabono region no eduru say ye kwa polling station abona me na me ye ho adwuma anti wa wote WhatsApp platform so aso kope MPB atunu e beduru na din nim because won to bi me say won to bi woni samu pass abona nso aba no won to bi because me nya sore ne me nya ti free ne ye mfa homa ntwem akiri. And this me kwa koduru ba bia se me catch the car no me apostle ko Joseph me car break nim nti car no kwa me de me sabo car no mu ana car na nkasa gina me nye break ntum nti me ka say won to bia polling station one me make sure say it's a matter of phone call na me si nipa sumasi mon kra na free system no me no wa wie ati mon nyai dede no. This is not the first time MPC bia sia I declare support to their presidential candidate. Nanado Danko Akufo. And at the end of the day, no, they near the palm training about Yaba winning. Now, on Suyahu. And now, Obiti platform to MPP pioneer. Now, who MPP contributing? MPP Yadiba power. MPP organizing MPP 2010 to 2016. Why would you WhatsApp platform so I would MPP pioneer? Now, where were you? Why would you WhatsApp platform so and a Kodia a go MPP? Kodia a go MPP. Tamana Kodia ye regional youth organizer. Na Kodia ye Juma Wasante region. To make sure say Obama Mabuna Pie a Juma ma MPP are winning. Why would you WhatsApp platform so? Where were you at the time? So Munima, ye ni Kodia non pencil as a youth organizers. All the bloody full work, the MPP bar power. And to one now who question say MPP pioneer, Babia Kodia the MPP a pioneer. At that time, no, na yeni Kodia no as a youth organizers. Yes, a mumu bebrenima Kodia was a youth organizer. Mamudi Kennedy, Chimudu Dwana Kranim second ayi Kodia original youth organizer, the munim. Me original youth organizer, na Kodia original youth organizer. All the bloody full work, yeah, Eddie MPP bar power. Eti utuana kwa MPP pioneer, babia Kodia di Koya Kwakodu. Wow, can MPP pano? Kama ye organize MPP pano, who fine.
Yo, Abusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM. You have a call at your Facebook, see, Adam Akoko kind statement be from Gideon Kwesi Ano. Mami Pacho, it's your for Abutchie, Mobet Mako Facebook was, yeah. Gideon Kwesi Ano, I believe it was on his Facebook page. The statement from the General Secretary is an insult to the intelligence of every loyal member of the New Patriotic Party. It reeks of desperation and hollow pretense. We all know what happened. Wuntumi and Abronye, blinded by their zeal to protect a failing campaign, spoke too much and exposed the very rot they had sworn to hide. And what does the General Secretary do? Instead of owning up, he cobbles together this weak and laughable letter as though mere words could wash away the stain of betrayal. Let us be honest with ourselves. These men have destroyed the credibility of our processes. They have reduced our once proud party to a playground for selfish ambition. Their confessions did not surprise us, And the General Secretary's limbs attempt at damage control did not fool anyone. What surprises us is that they still believe the New Patriotic Party rank and file will sit quietly while they drag the party into rain. The time has come to say it plainly. The party cannot move forward under the weight of these failed schemers. If the New Patriotic Party is to rise again, we are to restore hope and integrity. Then one thing must happen first. Baumia must be made to step aside by losing the upcoming election. Enough of the deceit. Enough of the hypocrisy. The grassroots demand honesty, fairness, and true leadership, and not this circles of contradictions. So that is what he says. But who said Gideon Kwesi Ano is also lambasting the General Secretary of the party. Lord, I can't say Lord, I'm about to say.
I saw my community. All right,
you've heard clearly Abronye also defending the General Secretary of the party.
SOMPA FM.
She said, Abronye say this tape or doctored. So General Secretary won't take any action against Abronye. MPP is doomed. Because this tape clearly on your doctored. And now, two, General Secretary, actioner also don't take. So when take her, no, there, the mama can no. Onyim Hubi.
Also a claim petition.
Onyim Hubi.
He says he's waiting, he's waiting for a petition.
In his statement was defending him. In other words, Abronya was campaigning for him. And so you scratch my back, I scratch your back. You see, about MP for Kwakotuwi. Nyanko Panehu. Nazo baby aye. Won to me. Kukomun nsama ofi the warrior on kukomun. Na waba baka no abonten. Nsama una warrior no sumamun na Abronya waba kana abonten. Nti other candidate no. Also they will be munenwa. O send it is so obvious there. The whole process where you know why for Dr. Baumia. They are doing whatever one national council. In fact, two or three people will go NPP. Hakuno uso ajeman.
Meba to Nyabutre. O say one no mugu NPP.
Say one will go NPP party sisi ala. Most can only hakuno uso ajeman. Two. Or say chairman sebonso. And three. Mark Menu. The monk of a saying no current MPP. And I don't know what send is oko.
Nyabutre mami. Hakman also Hajman. Then now oh yeah.
Oh, National Council Chairman. Morocco doing na here. Nika say ni bibi o baby Morocco do decision will take 1 year uncle early Congress, 1 year presidential primary first na zingina. Oh yes scheme. Ntinamose Nyanko pana ye other candidates na adoma won to me. Or the one could come in some about Abontin, but it's a gun of film there. Sana, more ye, one early Congress, I was justified with some reasons in Azinia. The reason, the ultimate reason was to push Baumia to become a candidate.
I said, Chairman Saboso, honorable, also then one.
Who on no share? Dama Papa and I said, Oshas will say a partner watch it. In your ma, Dama Papa Yankasa. Now, and Bibu Wabasanoko, or started there. Abra Allen War Party Numunu. Onye MFAPO join news koye interview no the two go since Alan and you akan you be busy lead lead MPP bio the party or the union non akan no to not only the fifth akan to be the leader of the party in parliament. Such a hypocrite. We are fifth akan
but you can say he's a hypocrite.
Or hypocrite. The hypocrite
why is a hypocrisy?
No, the hypocrisy is that
yes.
You are the fifth akan. JH Mensa, Fellows Usa Ajiman, Papa Usankuma, Emmanuel Edu of Tema, and son or one guy I can for. Now I will be busy if I be a fifth I can to be a leader of the party in parliament, no, and kada ho, Mfan come an alternate, and Mfan come a Voltarian. A G, no, what do you not know if that's anti-region? That's saying the Akani or the party name. Such a hypocrite. All these people are leaders of the party. How can the party be? Now, say, okay, Okay, a fake report from Ashanti region.
Is that?
Oh, listen to me. Okay, a fake report to Ashanti region. The factors on my MPP Ulusin, Ibia and Nimo Cheddar Baumia was a factor, and then ethnic or religious was a factor. When you have lost constituencies and you zero constituencies, if your polling station executive did not vote for you, you are still justifying this with lies. These are the leaders I want to say pattern, and I'm saying there. Some people that work on any good time, work on any no succeed, what be relevant in subsequent elections. They have to weed out all those people.
Okay, so who is the last one?
Oh yeah, McMenu.
McMenu,
no Nakufado using the same pattern or using. McMenu was suspended 14 from contesting, including myself. McMenu time. McMenu, Mamu Kasamincho, 2004. When I contested Christian Church, no original chairman or Western region. On no knows them can butcher picture. Yam them picture. On no knows them can butcher picture at that time. No, I mean Uncle Pa. The monk of Unya, when you're tumen, and now do you soon when you know to destroy the party. That you see what is happening, or effect of what they did in the past.
Thank you so much.
I know able to see.
I mean, like it is a bit. It's saying.
Abochi, Nyamia from the Diwaye. Na. Yes, it's okay, Timwa. And a match or kaka. And a crowd a man in kaka, no. Sabenibia, a baby review.
Says okay, Timwa.
Mr. Canene, Yamma, minimum kaka.
And it's okay, Timwa.
And a match or kaka. A better was a fa.
And this is as much as an MPP party, no. Say a can't get him.
Now, should a back money, ye, we pant, ye.
No, me kaka.
And I abandon me. Party. The way Yamma Pine, Amma intisate a back man of free your friend is saying. Afrafranto, I feel no performing a political party. Say Bejina saying in a nim. I feel no baby. As we shall quite our first one or address ye. And so, what can I say? Shen somewhere young Ankasa and Yoma air coso away a party. Now, Shen somewhere bronya or say tape is doctored, eh?
Yeah.
Which part, which portion? Say, if it is doctored, yeah, no, you're no bronya and the doctor tape no. Because I a life, oh yeah, dear no life, I'm any penny na air she. A drunk country, I say, and your life no ye. Now, oh yeah, na jumani ye no. And on no chabi, at the share baby, and no play my no say a life. And it's obi, aqua causes sound casana, nay, what na part ben ya doctor. Oh, adimu. You see, I do we ashasia, Bako, Mienu, Miensa, Okaya Semenka, Okaya Semenka, One Chairman Poku, Kwasipoku, Casano. Me na many questions are now be pa. Any answers are not so dema. Very solid answers. Now be sana baby. Say adentina Kennedy Japan for entro petition. Enkonkoma party leadership. Na me pacho me sremi bisa. Say abua papu. Why the true petition? And send a party neighbor be suspended. No.
I think there was a petition.
By who?
I'll do a check and give you the feedback.
Okay, that's fine. But me check just say petition be any baby and once a boom. Because even if you are going to suspend somebody, it is proper for you to hear that person. That is what lawyers will say are the alteram patem rule. At least hear the other person. So Oko take any decision, no one hear the other party. No one fair to the party. Because what I've heard Abua Papu saying is say, Obi a man hearing. Na akwa say no. O kasa o party ni mu.
SOMPA
na say one you praise singing na ye be you afrim. And also there are some of us who will not fall for it. Ye be ka de ye no kra e de party no e be gina ne nan so. The last time I make a say everybody should go, including Kodia. Una obisa ask a question.
Yeah.
Oh, then I start receiving what's some now kind of okay year pa na Kodia de ya men fanim mem. I don't ever Kodia mem. Is it not the general secretary? We need a general secretary. Obetimi agina ne naso. Na ni you aye you. De enya no beka senye, de ye no beka seye. Abronya share sade we asenye ne. And one me to say omo would to me so me manipulating the electoral rate. Say this statement I make and then Abua Papu opinion on non express say you know. Two no they dangerous for the party. They ain't dangerous for the party. Where they this statement but statement say any day. if say one party eye na say utimi etwa na ba ko ye na untimi ntwade a se pare anya adwuma de asaso dwensu ni ho esi ehunu say the party leadership is doing the right thing. Now me make any pain say for what is happening no, I don't trust the leadership say bear the right thing. Oh, say MPP Canada Japan team no on say a former anti-election rigging rapid something and ya form why? Because the intelligence are here gathering say they themselves they know say Canada Japan election here we winning, but they don't want him to be the flag bearer, so they want to take any possible means be a omede be faso na abana ye beto ya reggae ediatia Canada Japan eno na nti me nua ebo e ka asem bi me nti me rebate ni bebre because ensem ni bi o ka ne no kre
we nyabotra be na me kwa hama no so na me din komo we mra sese a honorable Obri Aboa a leading member of the New Patriotic Party of me Kwabinyaha na ma me kwa hama no so na me man akwaba honorable Obri Aboa ye mo akwaba for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM ewa kra
yeah me jozo
e ba choda pom to say
yes I don't go
wadarma o follow program no
me too
na banyarinties yenua bema ebo backman nkomo a woni yendin ewie yi no nkomo no enya de a wankasa no wo pesa nkomo no saa na nsem bia okeka kekafa MPP ho no nsem a to de bia wa hu ni say rodo rather nsem then a wo kan etie
first of all, I'm here at TFO and I'm here Ghana for you now. I'm here the local cabinet. Now, I Prof, sometimes I wonder that Ibo Backman guy, you know, are you sure that I don't know whether everything's okay with him? Because
please, Honorable Obri Aboa, our platform for God and country is a sanitized platform. And people would have to be very watchful of some comments. You better describe it. Yeah, to yensa from some equally important is you out there also contributing.
Be mindful. Sorry, but you see, this guy in a Alliance party, no. I say, I'm going to become say what is a lizard? Now, almost lizard now. Almost say a lizard is an animal that lives on trees, and you know, maybe one will ask what is the tree. You see, they find every opportunity to insult, to malign, to denigrate the MPP. But let me inform him. You see, it is people with low minds who follow an individual leaving a party because
it is people. What's that kind of description? What's it is people with what?
Low minds, with fickle minds. You see,
no, low minds now. What kind of mentality?
No, let me explain to you. Let me explain to you. Alan, first term, no, you're an ambassador. Second term, or you're a minister. He was the first to be appointed as a minister in the Ekubado's government. Now, say, Alan, no, I'm within a channel. So, yeah, Papa, the way you claim, so I'm Papa now. Already minister now, you know, now I open the Ekubado yet, Bunsam Lanka, I Papa. I know one resign.
SOMPA FM. Honorable Obri Aboa, but me bisa de ekoso e wo MPP amanyokum sisi ano. Ade a we ni je ho ana.
Media MPP the ekoso no e dey had dey be that. Now I am one say a party that claims that they want power. MPP becomes their
No, I'm asking you a simple question in relation to the discussion. Ekoso ewa ha. I'm asking you. Me bisa say de ekoso ewa amanyoku no mu sisi ano. Ade a eye wo there na.
Papa. MPP are a political party. People come from different families, different tribes with different attitudes. And no Muslim. And you don't have all people behaving the same. The same way that Atu guy there, Atu Backman there, no.
Why do you abudo be pacho? Why so be pacho and come on this is here. As your primary focus is on Ebo Backman.
His primary focus is MPP. That guy there, his focus is MPP, and he's always maligning us. I must put him into the right place.
But Pacho, Honorable Brebo, permit me to interject. Sir, Assembly Eba Ewoye Memuhani Eka. Why a political commentator, he's an economist, and then he's been with the New Patriotic Party before, and he's a Ghanaian, and he's free. And he was not
a true member of the party.
No, you're a true member of the party.
Oh yes, snitch. Oh, he's not a true member of the party.
No, oh yes. The pastor Jinala no Sumami. Ebo Backman.
Yeah.
Now when you're a true member of the party, he calls you a snitch of the party.
Hypocrisy minimum. Na menje that partner or woman or to partner say. I mean, my record all party me there. Me join MPP 1992. For President Kufuor, for Nana Akufo-Addo, for Mark Menu, for Lord Comey, for a friend then former General Secretary, a friend Dambotwe, for John Buedu. Party paying for me since 1992. In fact, I'm only gone final year. So party or be rallies are over from Casa. That time only gone final year.
Yeah.
In fact, some of the adverts 2000 was the elections campaigning. I wrote them. It looks as if there's a more research there. I will be the Asima this is democracy. Say empire. Let's America Dumu radio. As Americanasa. Sayang some American Samanya Samano and Tasa and also a Waso Munya Dumu radio. No mobi kasa nete. No, you can't say there. I'm imagining with whom. Sabi Samin are waiting no the young cancer. Me as a ya wa me jinzi da obi sino no, that's not how we do politics.
Me da say Ebo Backman what can we me ba cho ma mintie Honorable Obrieboa me ba cho me nyabotre Ebo Backman Ebo nyabotre ma me no would tie me ba me tie opa
any individual who leaves a party because of an individual living is not a party person. Any individual, meeting, I have worked with Honorable Adjustable closely. But I just have every party man, me didn't go because I'm a true party person. Anybody who leaves a party because of somebody is not a true party person. He was not a party person. He was a follower of an individual. Ebo was a follower of Alan, or a follower of FPP. So he dare not say he's a party person.
And you know, me say now what is happening within the New Patriotic Party? Say tapes me pacho nyabotre please.
What is happening?
What is happening within the New Patriotic Party? And they say, chairman Abronye, Bunu regional chairman. Any Ashanti regional chairman, Edin Sendi Ababe Tuja. Now, someone would have to say, I can see Amkwakosi, Yamia Duma on January 31st, 2026. You know, one would register no a showmabo trim. And our General Secretary Swaba Bonting Abaya no say, Sassam now one more aircano, one would party Nankasankasano, a trio Mufis Assamano. But some people within the party, it is not enough. I was saying you change something in front of me. What do you say to that?
Prof, anybody or be or follower of this party knows that albums in your origin. Album, any region. And you know, your common sense. Anyway, you don't need a fight. Albums are origin.
But in the first place, were they right to have come out with that statement?
Prof. Let me tell you.
I'm asking you a simple question. In the first place, some now Mekaya, no, Nessa Fatasi or Mobacana. Omanya Bonibia.
What can I say? Album, to the head office.
head office releases the album to the aspirants when the time is due. So what are you saying?
Within the new Patriotic Party candidates, you know, candidate Ben are supporting. I'm not going
to disclose my support to what you're saying.
Reliably, I'm informed, sir, who support Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Is that true?
Oh, party me,
so it means that you support Dr. Mahmoud Bamia? You have said it, sir, who supporting her here. That is why I'm questioning. It's for that reason why you are.
It is because I am not a Bubakman who supports somebody to leave the party. Me, Bubakman, I'm supporting individual who party man.
Now, Mammy, honorable Brebra, a Bubakman, you are out there. They're not there. Because from where you sit and the kind of argument you are making, I am not getting it.
No, Robert, offending.
Orga is assembly.
But your brand and country baby, one be and I must say, in fact, after listening to him, I don't want to waste my time on him, honestly. After listening to him, I don't want to waste my time on him. All right. So, yeah, I'm Brandon Cotti baby, one be.
Tell that guy is nobody.
Okay. Oh, I should.
I have listened to it. It doesn't make sense. It is only the.
It makes sense. What somebody is saying doesn't make sense.
It is because I don't follow an individual to the Labour Party and then later come and then fight the party in the opposition.
But
I don't do that.
But sir, MPP Asamba Ghana need this shape bia who can say also Timika party no wasam because it's a public institution.
That guy is going to say that Ben Oka want them that. I said, look at you, Oko, take it on, Mamma, take it away. Okay, what's them that? Mamma, yeah, Papa, we need a take it away.
Opinion, Bonizzi.
Let me tell you.
Opinion, Obria boy,
no, let me tell you one thing.
Opinion, Obria boy.
You see, it takes the whites to listen to the whites.
All right, so I believe, sir, we'll have to end this conversation over here. But honorably, Mamin can just say one of these days, I want you here. So you can debate on issues. Why? You want to face.
I don't know school. I want to go his level.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
I want to know the level of that guy.
Political party or your association or your freedom, free entry, free exit. It is if you the political party MPP will be seen more I mean, I have principles. I follow my conscience. I follow what is right. I will not kill myself. I will not sell my conscience for a political party. Maybe I may do that for my that one I can't change it. But I can join a political party. I joined MPP 1992. I left MPP, if you don't know, 2010. Not because of Alan. I left MPP on principle.
Gentlemen, I believe, sir, it's about time we end this conversation over here. Obri Aboa, my analysis, but continue listening to Uncle Ebu Backman, and you love his submission. And you continue the why? Consuelity, right?
Ebo is a snitch.
Oh, yeah. Me that's it. So bad you ready, so. Yeah, Michelle. I mean, go.
Yo, wait there. Asama make you see. Party mu yem penokre.
SOMPA
yem penokre. And until say, yebe manu kredie. Edi yenim said your party near church in 1992. Edi ba ye na. Yem unu si yem ko baby ya. Yem penokre. Honorable, what is the name again?
Obri
Aboa. Or your party, means we a party. Or starting the submissions, no. Very good. Me, Backman, Ebo. Me, name said your cast here. Ebusiani Ensis and political party, after 31st January. Obeti Ensis and political party view. That is his principle. Who's a new heir to 2 years. Eti me no me 14 bebre na so ba wo susu nka MPP asem no nka DC so de bi na wo ba ha se a no ye no te se masa ma me nye masa wo ba MPP topic me tell MPP topic na wo ba ha da ben wa ba ha odi yankofa galamsey NDC asay ni mra sesi ubo ma bi obegina eno na me ne nya adwene na emom honorable okasa say so ohunu ubisa the very intelligent question also baby or affiliated to also odwane or ba omiani also odwane me Canadian Japan me me sabesi mbo say me support honorable Canadian Japan me kan okura me nso ebra ye nua Alex Tete e kasa te say the abro nye kasa oka ensem a ye feel say enye odi gu Dr. Baumiane oma na chita afọ hu fi no ya ba out abe condemn no when they were Baumia a camper otimi condemn abronye ne Miami original chairman untumi e woni omo mu ye hu ubisa question de na we are mo kind we are someone within a political party e say oka e je say amiti yi na me so be ka say your friend is saying a too dry bomb they call nuclear weapon. You are packing nuclear weapons. A delegates conference. And any public who works here. Is it something that I should come and sit here and say?
Maybe also
because me need nuclear weapons. And I'm a Kagana cry. You need nuclear weapon. It's me can sack kwana. Now because you know album no national. Now when I say what just my brother kind or say me fa phone say see na say me frɛ na me see yenyi wo free mu a ye be you free minutes on no kra na sem no wentie on case on the be no obefa phone na wo nipa no praising no kodia na so the kodia kona krana they were all youth organizers it is of kodia say one sisa na wo be sisa no that's what he's saying
me that so ba me be sa ba on chances here but SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country and that's abreuti exactly 2 after 4 but my bin cow say Electroland Ghana Limited for so as na kesepa bibia obi no here electronics papa dia kai Electroland Ghana Limited all types of products they have say Nasco say media product say Samsung say TCL product, TV now here, air conditioner now here, fridges, washing machines, kettles, any electronics you can think about. Omo electronics, pa. Tibe bia obi ara. So beto electronics, be chere ye di amount dia. Kai, Electroland Ghana Limited. Okoto ade o why more 15% discount. Omo cha kwan wo Techiman bia any back so dey hwe mo Kumasi station wa. Kumasi sa o show mo a. Omo cha kwan wo Kasi Junction at Tech Junction and Crime. What more Denta barrier, Dansuman roundabout, industrial area, BNML complex dey hwe anymore. Or they have offices in Sunyani, Mankasim, Cape Coast, Takrady and Tamale. Na makacho said 2074 aye dudro kese pa bedwaman so be pacho bomodin na to bi na fasi aye your dining table so anapa sorry a man kran mbo dudro ni bi wankasa bobi wo yire so mbo bi na pacho sa munnom sa dudro we anopa na enwumre bi ade e fre ne yade no mu yade de kra emba makwa mu da na hye no so sa obi wo ho na o mujabro so ana se o sugar e wo ni moje mu a me pacho 2074 ebe boa pa yi ana wanya kuro bi ekuro no wuda ana se wahra no brebo mu amre hepatitis B and C upon when your kidney infections again so what them nkese na when your prostate enlargement we bema o junso emmeya bomadina kopa 2074 T74 oba bunsa na de how brew obowa utenaka mu kakra na wana aso me pacho bomadina kopa T74 2074 I've told you a simple mixture very portable ubetimi da so koto komedi akobe bia T74 yepa Ghana Food and Drugs Authority for Ajatum now do any chire drugstore pharmacy shop bia ya de won sabeka na kai say open the dudro mu a for when chire Okaishi drug lane won kan ha na say udi when chire Kumasi so a bomade na fa when chire Ashton Colina Kebal obetimi from 02460 73498 050161162 8931 me pato ye ko me adan ho abasisi a ye ba enkomo bebere wo ho a ye bedi for God and country will be right back very soon.
To me train ya oba eni peche mu ana dio bedachi nanso ubetimi aboana manenya pomodin free ni mofrase Jamvita ye de milk papa bi ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahodi a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin anio impeni fosweni chopa Mawobano apomudin bring more frase. Jamvita gumo do bebre. Jamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA agi ejedi yin krato yatum.
Techimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni, I'm a punning in Swabo. Wait, yeah, Thursday, yeah, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front network, Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and that's a backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Rabaja was Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa kahunina. Now when in baby, it count for baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it rabatadie, kahuna senyao.
21st Clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st Clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best on yard no massa the machine account. Aya sabia yare bia wutimi de konemo ma de pa ko woma gidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica and a stroke so de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho. Enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran e ba. Ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na e ban so a wonsa bonkum so. E ho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tonte. Yanum Sania Fadjin. Near Fadjin Pa. Say none say Brebi Beba. Ama Tontina 74. Opay and simple. T74. Abeyedru. Tontina 74 and T74. Asachi Yajini Esina Nanamudu Doso. Said the Nadu Buaman and Nanamu Enyar Basabasano. Sana Tontina 74 and T74. Ebweni Pediano. Am I immune support? Ethiopia Numbieno. Abrebia. No den. Tontina 74 years so yaya no say nsuo krokrowa kama enti baabi a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa anka fi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom Tontina 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nnuo bia wobenya Tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 024607349 FDA agi adwadie nkratoi atom
abusafo yadamu nyina say mama kwa ba jumadi no so Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country abra ekoboro ekosoro obi said the message you have a guy but that's here for it's exactly 9 after 4 Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country. 5 o'clock we'll be activating the line 0260 196064 0260 196065. Lawyer Sebena Ukasim be
yes. Oh, baby a party na dru no said baby a meka na omu ehunu se party ne begiesi ho. Say Kennedy Japan team na yawo anti election rigging response team ewo ho. E dey inti ne was our response team. Yawo because
I would let you mema kwa mo wachichire mu anti rigging me nyabutre adukudenti amode sade ne crowd abakra beto abonte ne cry eno cry enfum so in the first place but ma me kwa ma so na me ne honorable Amo Johnson on the DC for Atiwa West any din komo yin na be kaya somewhere last week bruha because so wo mo empotem ho and what was it about now it was about a commissioning of an astroturf by the MP of the area. But I'm Honorable Amo Johnson here in Dinkomo. Honorable Yama Baba for God and country on Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra. I put to saying na Atiwa West. You remember call there? Yo, yeah, Danyamia say. Na you who say video bi wa ha. Pinchem bi koso na pinchem na koso nyina no ntia yensa kana na se onim rahye bedwani a owo ayesam mumpotem ho no na enti asie papa nkomo no na obetimi aboye nyi dem pa na esi ye
baby can let us see how much you take on so no for ya who social media so no me anga na nka me phone nka me also na me hobby side no say the who no social media sa na nso ni ho social media so and me first impression me putting hello.
That's what me too. And you know what was it about? Never then who?
Me thinking in you say. February 2024. Yeah, I buy an also sabre through GMPC. A cattle sort. Emma contract. Me cattle sort. Say in see AstroTurf Park, and AstroTurf facility with spectators. That's why 200. Na for VIP na yenya changing room it is a small stadium one is pitch ka na 2024 no your member of parliament no one should be James Abraham on number ko sia ma pata na MPP for promise parliamentary promise ama papa nso onko bio enunti honorable kokwa asante no ye mrese bi gadi we need planners. If you know, in person, Omotono, now we have vote, no become may vote to continue. When they don't farm, and that's why they make a parade. So, project, Sabena contractor, no Ashasia, Uzi, AstroTurf facility.
SOMPA FM.
October, November 2024. Not pitch, you know. I'm big enough to have a board. Maybe, and so now, auxiliary facility now, the boss. Now, Omonia, okay. Now I'm to down to our MPP losing elections about the Flaba. About the Flaba and you attract my GMPs. Say you perceive who the full status of the contract. The Acadian said GMPs for reply a letter. So on reply a letter. I'm your honorable member of parliament. I say of a commission AstroTurf facility. And I actually had the audience say, put to me commission, assembly no ground one more money. What to check invitation the accompaniment and call for. Into young is out baby. Into yet you can say, no, sir, a month on Swati. Oh, grown. Into no way or quabbing. Every in 7 until on Pramon. So when you make time, on the sequence and commission project, it is an commissioner. Yaka na account contract ano office Kennedy the back of BNP please coming up one the office Kennedy kayen edi this assembly san compare sika foforo say this two shoe be esi school ana e bi gana and san e san dia koye akowie sa project no afi so e ma tia no say se sisi akora no ye ka se ye bia no mo nkomu a be bia o mo ba jonso akora bi ni ho changing room eni ho se di me di na aba so no bi pe be di pra ja na nan even here. If you come back on the pass on big juma, facility no so of the plan, Sanya way income. And we are not school down if you open a lumu and for everybody Janandi and Sonchibia. It will be a bonus. Enti Emma yet you groom say, it didn't matter say, on between the point. It will be a solution here at the Pasabasa, a better. Into a Shia, no dissect meeting. I'm your friend, member of parliament, so Wama, your friend MPP chairman. The secretary, the organizer, NDC, the same, going in airby. This man almost talk like we're not going up as I said. Dissect, and far or share, and to say, you to be the answer. On to say,
SOMPA FM.
You of Papa, the pass will be facility. Enten. Self initial common fund, walk of the other. Not assembly, so there may be any the other. In our Kabunia to be facility now, can near to me the other. Not a home about us all. I'm a month to do it. I don't know if you come the member of parliament say on cancel. I'm a person who wants to try to come and say, Odi Bambu be a number one to say, but we not by the program on putting on hold. Yet, you let you know, every dissect decision come out regional minister. Regional minister one so I get you on the regional security coordinator. So, after Bambu who said, what a man, a member of parliament, and Makasa. wɔn bɛ hyɛ dan to wɔn ho promo edi na ɔhwɛ bɛyɛ mmienu ɛyɛ fia de etwa wɔn wɔn yi pie no nanti aseɛ no sɛ aberewa etuo kɔkɔ ɔbɛ kyerɛ sɛ ɔna ɛnkɔ bio ɔna ɛnkɔ nkɔmishini project no bio eti bambɔfo no tutu wɔn hyɛn sɛ wɔn kɔ no na sɛ maame no afa sɛ bo akwan akɔgyina paako no so sɛ ɔkɔ ne akɔ kɔmishini project no ɛhɔ na bambɔfo tutu mmirika wɔn kɔ na wɔn de canopy baako bi asi hɔ ɛhɔ ahopetere a wɔn PA system ɛne ade ana bambɔfo sɛ wɔn mpere ma ɔnkɔmishini project no nti papa baako a ɔna olidi regional security committee no baeɛ ɔna ɔka kyerɛ sɛ ɔnabɔ bibi saa na ɛka ɔdɛ ɔno na ɔhyɛ kyɛ tuntum a ogyina n'anim a ɔmanfoɔ sɛ ɔno na ɔyɛ dc ɔno nyɛ dc ɔno ɔyɛ regional security committee to ɔno ne kaa wei nyinaa akyire no da ɔsɛ ɔnte ase nti yɛm sɛ mmabu no a na ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔyɛbɔ no so no ɔna ɔmu kɔdundum ɛnyem no sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ ɔkasa koraa obi ɛnte nti ɛno na ma a ɛsɛ kabebe ɛba ha ɔno ankasa.
Okay, me pacho, there's waka sembi. Now, I just want to read it to you. I'll say I lobbied the GNPC to build the AstroTurf for my people, but the DC said he won't allow me to commission the facility, so he has brought national security to beat us here. Before I became MP, I lobbied to MP. I lobbied to get this project done. Koko Asante wono mrashe bidwania ma de share wo ho no na wo kasei o se project no ono an ho lobby for this particular project. Now it is not an assembly project.
The pacho say ahana every university ade ewa ha. So we the Local Government Act at 936 section 80 watchro ho say aban agency bia to say GNPC, GCD, ADD, Ezen Bank, Ghana Gas. When you seek to see Jumedi na project bia, the custodian of that facility is the local assembly.
But is it true, sir? Before you go on with the education,
the Local Government Act, it's a GNPC, it's a project, or handing over the project to the assembly. It is our own says, I bring an MP also, so a commission project. No commission will hand over the amount.
That's a fair question. That's a fair question. That's a good question. But Mamimbisa, we want to place it on record. So, and you know, Chris, or no lobby ma a project now, every GNPC for us to buy.
The first remark, the chair was saying, I honorable person or partner, no a member of parliament 10. Because at that time, she wasn't an MP. It's the lobby project on her capacity. On her document, it says, name and control letter, and they call GNP, CMM project. On that.
Okay, and you know, letter what Trey say, or the man this year say, one or Baba, the commissioning of the project, you know. So I let you know, and yeah, the Oma assembly be. Hello, Mbatotemenga. All right, let me say your lines not to now can person bizarre to say, Wabra or say the boss say, obey commissioning no, or to then suffer a assembly na. And no na you perceive you.
SOMPA FM.
Confusion I was. Ebo
confusion I was. I'm put out there. France, one former president. Sarkozy, we jail in 5 years.
I think I heard it today.
You tell him saying we jailing.
I've not gone in the
what's the campaign or year 2007? No, Skebi onye fi Libya, and it's against the law of France. And see, former president, we jail in 5 years for France. The answer Brazil president, this was a coup attempt. what charging the Kubia or don't you record no or she chinus with jailing.
Okay, maybe. But yes, honorable. I want to be my enemy. And honorable, the tintin in the tia woman and say, letter or Troy Edema this year say or invite you more to the commissioning of the AstroTurf, no, and yeah, or involved in the assembly.
Yes, man, performing let me be a job. Now, what can they be out to the other assembly? Copy, crown, copy assembly there. So, now, the person the movie in her bus. Now, and yet, losing an assembly, a matter dissect, a cushy I or can't say to my dear, on Kingston Town. Bank for home somewhere, near who's a bit more bones in film, and looking at my soul. And I dissect, to take it, see it, that command, extra command, say, on change the program, and so na bit nyama my bambo hon stop atu pechi na kay obi asese wona wo shemara man na yedi impraso na dake emma directives Ghana Police Service emma directives na ni nyina ubuso nti ka bibi ko si ya nka hwan ana de aba ono otiebo
okay and this is say no ye bisa say what can the pain say it's because of security. Say onye safe ninti and a man kwan amananko commission project no and you know say bibia koyie na oba na so oba be commissioning of the project na assembly e ade a mone ne betena se na waka na man kwan amananko commission project na
assembly aton sa friend
SOMPA FM
me anka ma send the message my friend me na kasa ni da say onto no boss na bibia wa me there is time and season for everything and they could do bra as a facility no ye biano on the no man for na e dey do ama project no be o ha me ba we ba me twen yes is school ada e dey ma school for e tell be na school down go commission as na school go commission e di do the compassion so the no go won here say o school gala bi o ho ama 6 match and the family video o you know man for the decide say ho no person e koye na. We appeal to the contractor. Say, you can see any facility now, watch out on one way. It's a brother be mine. We are watching out to know and see the own beer. Why? Let's see out of commission. No more go to do in Juma. May have found the floor light to put on them. If Dumana and so you are. And here I'll go fiscal. And now I feel I'll catch a contractor and say, Bra, not under 50.
Because before projects, you be near commission. I was I go through some processes. I don't know per the assembly per the assembly no and she say no saying na sa processes no etie
say na processes no etie say GNPC then actually come on say per say you say project or the ma papa no na contractor no e fie wi sika we tu ama no we wi so di nyina na na GNPC de meka na over energy and describe them car. As when you receive certificate. Now more echo car. And now the human wire baby, DMP the case family academy as they on the inspection, the bus site inspection. Now you ever shed the aka, near Manus car, no baby. When we crown, when we do the baby in our crown. Your friend GMPC now, or yeah, our dean, and now the the sponsor. Me after contract, me after assembly, me after entry. Ni after other stakeholders are when you want limidie na when sign answer e wo mu bi ni na e twa fa ho ni akọhwe e na e say final inspection e ho na e be ko so o ha park ya ha mu atom kotwa ade na fa sha ase wo wie bia ye wie wetimi agency afọ an say wo wie adwuma ye wie ni say ni na wie ye ho sa se die ni ho ansa na ya be handing over no ba handing over is a ceremony how they support
SOMPA FM
and no ma assembly no e no na any member of parliament e transit and na mama no ye gina so e dey akọ commission project
okay and is share we nyina okay me bo
na mama na dey asase no mai say sa facility no wo share for ni na e twebu social media so na no mo wo hu tinye bi wo hu atiampo ma bi apart from Bambofo, any on the party delegates are Sabre no more Chesia, no Hono, Obi assembly, any ho, Nanamuni ho, assembly members in the no, it's Grum or Gran, obi any ho school nan kasa ye do mo park and a year facility air pass school no into any ho it is when na sa no all hand the facility over to
now I'm so what training processes now, but the question is say no more contact GNPC say almost then naka contractor no more than akasa almost say akwa could do what stage say project nankasa was stage bang
me a mpo menye dansini no dan nankasa efa the sikana kese pa because park na dey keta na dey access kapɛ na dey tie sompa na fence o ken kire me say eno ne boy den esen dan na yesi ama nipa 200 atire mu o ti mi ken jam say park no boy den say no
debut me ba honorable wadaroma pi adukurentia me bisa question and say you person hu the state and as a stage project no edu na anamonwa assembly etu to GNPC eno ni ye person hu sisi
say me maka medical aka actually so person me repeat me ho a me repeat me ho say assembly atro akoma GNPC say omo hu the full status of the contract na kan hu say we am for
na me pato GNPC for omo yi mu anu ana have they responded
eno na ye ka kire MP say why kura fa won hu aye no pra e man to no boas.
Okay, my say, but before I beja mo akokra no ka say uni MP no kra no what said in some messages and you bia no MP no I responded to your messages so I respond here asembe na ono so kan
SOMPA FM
one wakasa
sisi amene ukasa kra no hu say oh Fred sisi ya oni ne kasa ye the next call abeto mo ayi ya na return
na chese otie edwumadi ni dra tina mi bisa o se nkomo be na one ne di e
nkomo a me ne di ni say training ka na chese say bontin tuni meba project no eyeti one west ana aba bi si aman yentu yobo wase ne yie a ho aba mfa so twitwim di e di aman na po ne na ka wate no wase
okay say wate no wase won
edu prepare say a commission project now. She's a member of parliament. Let's even admit, let's even admit, so no Okolobi by. Okolobi by ya. Oti mu akoti, see baby ana oka. Sa, and a man Okolobi by cry, and no no member of parliament. Because assets and liability is in the public administration.
Sure.
And they say Canada,
okay, so in her response to you, no, what exactly did she say?
I say, oh, best friend, this is the Fiada, Yanko Pomboa, so I couldn't climb to a baba. Naya transit. No problem, I have Nadia, that's a whole telephone. Maybe you may think Kunyania transit. Said the TPI, open a bonus. It made that. Omanfo nyina ase sa asemu ba ye won etu na basa eni asre me ya kedi egu DC so a no nti DC a side of the story na we na me shega na media no so nkura se me nim se media de nkamutwa binkum na no twenifa maba kromu na mabeti sa asemu we asia at least DC chief executive in office ta kromu ho a ntiade na nkamutu tumrika na mum ben na mo nje ne side nke bi anka report no anka ya balance dada enya fe na ya pe the balance of the story.
Mami na wa say Honorable Amo Johnson Selma Hokwama yene wudi nkomo nyame nshira we wish you well in your endeavor. Ya better say Honorable Amo Johnson atesemene ni edi nkomo sisi de oso ni MP koko edi nkomo koko ahye no bo say sisi de asem obeka bia no omunyina beko anubenkrum na chese ye ato ye
SOMPA FM
na de na fasoka
na mano da samado
ai
asembe ne
de asema mbekanye de
bo person change topic na ba
me change topic mama kaina mama information na mazero mo say France former president Sarkozy
yeah man 5 years
in fact judge this is so or appeal in Ponko jail I say no appeal on prison no for appealing into jail or you serious there or man be or ni elections if external support be bar or affecting. And until I mean Solomon Owusu na Pierre Dankwa. Ya trauma OSP.
Oh, okay.
The former Vice President Dr. Bawumia. If 300 pickups now also trauma MPP no. On share the source. France is in Okoje 5 years old. We ain't kada wangin Okoje. Me kana wangin show me. What you show me when I say ozi forward. Mbrebia law said that order wangin is in wangin inzi. So ozi bimusa amfan ho nonko.
I'm responding. OSP responded to your petition.
I'm responding. Yes, then there. He has I'm on a penalty. On your free kicking point go far to wall. A penalty because Dr. Bauman and no master now okay. On your allegations.
On this matter, what was Marco to OSP him? Inti Nyabutre. Uji OSP didn't know the cartoon him. Na udi wasem so di kan wa himfia na uni bem and some wo ba wo kwa wo be you see Abotchie efre Bawumia aid ba miracles aboaje on this matter emma die na me madwene ye me na mesusu no sa na miracles be kire mu Dr. Bawumia na oye flag bearer of the NPP and by virtue of that position intino resources near dear ebebe biano it comes in his name near the din atuso ediako nti me ensusia pa na me wo asema vice president kan no and say enya something that came out of his pocket but leading as the flag bearer no that is what he was able to do enti bra miracles and so be kan asem no na am say yes so the only issue that I had ne say he shouldn't have made it say ni bottom scabi no koko yide koto sa aka asme bai na mum party ni nyina modern bo campaign ayeye resources ayenya no eno na de sa enyoman e bai ntiebo ubeti di kan wo court na so me catch you please said there wo dey ye mfa to ho ani ade nsi Dr. Bawumia
video no
me ba
Dr. Bawumia wan kedo ti Dr. Bawumia kedo no kotokum sika no ode yo also orezi sika yema ye kan there no Ghana law Ghana law mbreche there say erase sika na the campaign of this nature
so my
you have to declare the source
so my point is
that is exactly what we have done there so, undeclared source instead of Ghana ha na of Ghana ha of himfa undeclared the source
I like the question
that's where our laws
yes
for the political party elections laws it is undeclared
it is good say it is good ye me pe de moye hu ne say wa megina radio so keke ankasa amfa probably be enwu Dr. Bawumia hu fin nemom wo de petition OSP tina Abotchie bisa say when response from the OSP ana so if there is anything that is the way to go baby I'll call you say baby chichira boa no but no impression whatsoever should be created say Dr. Bawumia akofesi ka bia ense so wafa ena dia ba ye adwuma it is a vice president bi ana president bi o baby ni ajeli na chese e kwa jeli Dr. Bawumia no it mesrem nua ebo say ye MPP no nyesa ene ye nneoma ye di mra so pepe the fact that I support Kennedy Japan does not mean say bibia o chia bibi the fact Dr. Bawumia wa menye di ntina
menche bibia lawyer ya from Brekwando
what you follow the law
so I'm just saying that for those
ebo back when my mbisa lawyer cake is lawyer
yes sir
o se me yere
oba
oh how na say
so they be pem fabra
they be say oh how na say
what they be pem to the fabra
be bisa say oh how na say
me how nyina na say Obo Backman me support question abisa no or they call the right channel wa petition OSP eye enya mframa mu na o sa betoto ayi bi agu onko OSP o say OSP
accountability
and here
is very important
yes I agree so OSP asam na ye de buy no akosi saying because certainly they will let Dr. Bawumia respond. Let the response be and odiaba. And you see, okosro ebokosro ba form. Engo si bebia because the Dr. Bawumia
lawyer speaking like this.
Wait. Baba. Yes. Lawyer Keke.
Yes sir.
Oma petition OSP. We be send a question so I respond to Osi Debi. But you can't prejudice the minds of the OSP.
Oh, not necessarily.
No. Wait, I'm
lawyer.
to Debbie.
More report was general legal counsel.
You don't go there.
Meba.
It amounts to prejudice.
Oh, Mamen Kasa. The meme can say
yes.
We OSP or what on your court or powers to prosecute. And you know, say what the petitioner come now. It is different from say matter na akodu court. Then I as a lawyer I say a court na enko baby. This is not prejudice. No, you don't. What's that? No, you see, you can't bully us. You can't bully us. If you take me to, you can't bully us. Okay, wait. Police station. What they call police station? Say police for you.
Yeah.
Police for you. They have the prosecutorial powers.
Sure.
Now, me catch you say, oh, the police for you. Enko si baby. They are not a court. That is what you should understand. The OSP is not a court. Also, uncle find the fact.
I expected you as a lawyer.
Yes.
To say, petitioner, OSP no. Yen nyina nya abotwe na OSP mbekasa say OSP find fault bi on na office say wo mo de kwa gina asem bia na omo de asem de kwa asem bia. That was what I was expecting you as a lawyer.
No.
But not to say
no, or no present facts. And the facts no gina so no. Or no believe say Dr. Baumia aye bibi boni binti ni ehwehwem. Me so believe say onye bibi boni bia and the level we are no enye prejudice asem. OSP cannot be a judge over the matter. He is only a fact finding institution. Onu nya the facts afi no dey call judge or court. It is only the court and I bet me aka say your statement has been prejudiced and no na ye debate me contempt at all. OSP ntimi fa contempt encheme. If I say Dr. Baumia as far as I know onye boni bia.
Yes. Lawyer. Maybe so from where we sit now, Roger, there's why elite Nyabotre. But so Monsonumu. Yes. Obi the petition akoma OS.
Yes.
Very important matter.
Yeah.
That is according to how you see
accountability
to somebody
is a virtue.
And this so what I say, as some na could OSP or mama nya botre mama my enke kan sem bia at the end of the day so some grab a quarter they work can and then
it's not before any court of competent jurisdiction.
I know,
yes,
but ochina bi no obi betwa this portion the amount.
Na say the onu ye wo ha itire say Dr. Baumia defo akofas ye jeli obi. So you want to say he is me prejudice on the because what you want to say.
No, what I'm saying is that
I'll come back to you. The two of you, I'll come back to you. You were breaking news you were breaking news DSTV subscribers to enjoy between 33% to 50% increase in value. Ghanaian DSTV subscribers are set to enjoy significantly improved service offerings following what the government describes as a major concession by MultiChoice Africa. Minister for Communications and Digital Technology and Innovation, Samuel Nate George, has announced that MultiChoice Africa has committed to an unprecedented increased value offer, specifically for the Ghanaian market. The move comes after weeks of regulatory pressure and negotiations over DSTV pricing in the country. MultiChoice Africa has committed to an unprecedented increase in value offer only in Ghana, which would result in Ghanaian DSTV subscribers getting more services for less. And there's some judge there about 12 to say DSTV kono or patches wedim kuno maybe from where we are no per the understanding I'm getting DSTV a board subscription no a board no beba form ama yenyina like akeke se benade no ayi wenim sa
the kind of a brofo and our kind no or say increase in value is it or the kind of cost? I wanted it to be so straight and specific.
Okay, so let me read the full statement. Depending on the DSTV package or banquet you use, subscribers will get between 33% to 50% more value. More value.
Is it the case?
Yes. Under the new arrangement, subscribers on the party banquet would be upgraded to access.
Good.
While subscribers on the access banquet would automatically be upgraded to family. So it means that there's going to be some reduction in price. Increasing in value. Yeah. But that ultimately. Ultimately.
Yeah. We'll come back to price. So the one who is on the the premium bouquet, the highest one.
Yeah.
See, I see increase in value. What you're saying is family. You be page out you be page out. Now the also what the premium a Hanson and Crawford pay show mo football near it's the also level now.
They compact plus crowd to me show football.
Oh, but any BBR. You see, please. When we are discussing something,
let me explain.
Please.
How can you talk about value without prices?
Please.
How can you talk about value without prices?
Roger,
get me right.
Obadi Adaroma. Mamitia is Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama.
Stay calm. I'll come back.
Get me right on that.
Okay.
When now they are better. Yen na ye penchire mu ni atiase ye because
the access bouquet would automatically be upgraded to family.
Yes.
And those on the family bouquet would move up to compact.
Yes.
Subscribers on compact will be upgraded to compact plus.
Yes.
And those on the compact plus would enjoy access to the premium bouquet.
Yes.
The minister further explained that subscribers already on the premium bouquet would not be left out. They would automatically be entered into a draw for a chance to win a fully paid trip.
That is the question I was asking. Answering the question. You see, when we are communicating, that's a we have fixated. Say, why no or MPP needs my why you go wrong? That's the question I was asking because a chess adena kind obi no attack me non adena because you can say attack me. On statement. So when you are making presentation, you open and be fair and be open-minded to all kind of things. That's what I'm making. And I buy. Sam George, stop Galamsey now. Stop Galamsey now. Me say,
you are not on mic.
You see, Uncle stop Galamsey now. What I say? And yet your catcher, not by the bio, but catcher, and no war ye. Cuckoo,
but I didn't we know on set. Abasubo.
The premium, you see, over baby,
dear one,
Abasubo no heifer. Abasubo no heifer. Enemy bisa question say premium bouquet no. Or say afeni ebe say or say about to the lotto and answer dey. Ya be chacha we ase. Premium bouquet. Me ebi a me pe chacha. O si premium bouquet for no afeni e ko to chacha. Baby a problem ni dey premium. Premium dey no my afa ho. Premium dey no afa ho.
Or say
yes. Afeni e ko to chacha.
Yes. I see this Roger and Pacho, please. They be interrupting the microphone.
Wow. You are used to it still.
The minister explained. He said, "One is subscribing to a premium bouquet. No, woman, they say you almost free.
Yes,
but automatically no. Yeah, the omobetu a chachabi.
Chachabi, you have any better chachabi?
Chachabi that obi a winner. Now you did not trip to Dubai.
No, normally.
Nigidi na onye hui. Sam George onye hui. Ose afeni eko to chacha. Premium bouquet.
Prof, young bona about because the Americano, actually in terms of value, no, if you are paying the same amount of money, you are enjoying upgraded services.
Sure.
So there's a value. And I'm coming. Premium, oh yeah, 1 hour. By middle income for high income.
I receive it.
Or cash.
Oh, I want
premium. But you want form no one form na mpocho mo buy. One form na bibinti once can to undo so no. Per this arrangement.
Say I'm for to her ball.
Yes.
I'm for to her ball.
Some talking about some talking about
premium model see go to chacha e honzo.
Why you say papa?
I just want to chacha nya. Afa nya be.
And I check.
Me pacho Sompa 106.5 FM. Lexa Company Limited abomoding the product we abedwaman so product near kama pa. Aya portion aya kama. Obetimi that twetwe siam na ye yard toothpaste ni yard toothbrush. E wo dwaman so e kama pa. Catch us say 1 year 1 man on this say cra no ya dia one ekra ya toothpaste in the brush and the feed down had kwa man on and the paso so tebin kem den nwumre no ba twetwa osiano pa ne enwumre a bomoding say kopa ya toothpaste ni ya toothbrush ma wonu ma twetwetwam na kai bio say ya toothpaste na nkasa no ye duru nkasa nkwara pe mint na ewom no kwara de twetwe omo se a omo bo funu omo penyimfo bi wo ho a enam so mu twa bi ndira de chi no mu twetwe omo ti a omo butimi funu omo sa but wo abufu no a bomoding na kopa ya toothpaste and a toothbrush and on a bit me a supermarket be a Ghana half an MBBiano, a idea on Sabekebi. Now one can hand up a beer to a tonga a 050 161 9588. Kumase 050 1390 338. Nakai say Bell Beverages Ghana Limited. Become who's a matcher. Enche Roger Makwaba.
So
Roger, I watch you.
Yeah, me say a dear to me no, me can say me explain here. It is but all the time this one. I mean, fan daily with a lawyer. See, I say.
Me bacho. Then amount.
Oh, about Mr. O. They say I want to make a show there.
Simply. They be simply.
Then we copy your pot. We copy your pot, and I may do as say.
Okay. Anti-traffic. Good. But my mami, you don't address Keke Sebe. Address me. Oh, you don't speak to him. You speak to me.
I put it to you.
No, listen. You can't put it to me. You are not a lawyer.
I'm a lawyer in the making.
No, but you are not yet a lawyer, so you can't put it to me. Aye. Lawyer, catch it.
Until you buy just MPP go, I mean, catch MPP go.
Now say MPP go ana.
MPP party na gunu. O dem am dealing with issue first and foremost. My bo honorable Sam George Abaso say wako okoden. Oh, akoko sachira kroma enye ne fe. Mutumi ye bia. O mutumi ye bia.
Keke Sebe.
O mutumi ye ade ye bia. Sam George aye bi ni a. Ka me catch say omo one hwe ni ya nkom beka say ombe posters akode whole African country say vote mom no munye omo lead Africa
achievement of NDC government yes TV ayekoto cha
o saso ebe kan eyi galamse asem esa say yaye komo ayehwe mu no eye mu say mo moral right beka galamse asem omo time na omo issue mining license as if say posters omo dey call election omo dey fam omo time omo mining license say omo printing election posters.
Why?
Anyway, mo dey excavators omo import excavators say be omo import mo
200 excavators
for evidence bra. What the evidence bra? Or the evidence bra man $10,000.
Roger. O say omo import excavators to say mo Ghana.
Me na me catch you. MVP time. And omo government. The third most important commodity into Ghana. Excavator.
Roger Nyabutre. And o say mining licenses are omo the mine.
Omo issue to say posters, election posters. Opa my enhwe. The records are there. Enye. Hwe. As at 1988 to 2008. Omo issue 40 hasn't about drip machine. Now drip machines no. Omo cry excavators team, omo cry mo aba Ghana.
Me panel members. The subject under discussion today. No, please. No, you just came. No, please. No. I don't want the fact today. Maybe I don't want. Oh, your microphone is off. Who can Emma? Debbie, it's off air. But the Okanina Emma air. Long time. I want to tell you, sir, I am in charge. And you listen to me, you take orders. You don't come and yes, I'll settle your own question. Now, Charlie, now also MPP, then egu. Now, I say the also MPP when I was saying.
Oh, star Mr. No. Why on Toya? I know to. MPP party no. I see as she say, we.
Casavena kind.
I'm the Chinese Fafra.
I'm saying to be China. What do this one to I'm saying now? What opportunity? I say China.
Nanga, you never say we must say China for. Nanga, we have before height. Any money
we are say we bad. Me pacha Bell Beverages Ghana Limited at the Anumdia Bejaban so I come pa one with the Bell Cola, one with the 7 Star, one with the Bell Malt, Sasana, one with the Bell Squeezes, our grapes, orange and a pineapple flavors. Our German so I come pa sa Bell Beverages Anumdi a doko de nkoda numbi mpenyimfo numbi just say all ages enumbi and in pacho say otemenka na obenum Bell Malt obenum malta but modern akope Bell Malt omo the ginger ale bi so abedwaman so no so ye kama sa so na Bell tonic so dwaman so bitter lemon na Chapman me pacho for bi ewo ho cocktails ahodo me pacho any flavor that you want in any form but modern na for when it Bell Beverages Ghana Limited. Belakwa natural mineral water sisi na ko be ADA and amanfo no Belakwa natural mineral water also good for you. Enti ebushafo ndiche me pick calls in the next 8 minutes no me pick calls. So Roger, if you want to restrict yourself to the discussions are abronye mu nsemo anwa keke general secretary respond
the party no a birthday party because we shall lose talk the way a chairman to me e kasa e na sebi uko birthday asena se odi bibi kakaka wano na uko hewaya e na ukasa sa because a strategic tactician or beda amanyo kuano as a political party chairman on kasa sa this one is loose talk where loose talk me sure say lawyer sebe krabe yeah party member krabe kasa sa obe kasa sa
Lawyer Saber, don't address me. Just speak to me. Don't speak to him.
I put it to you. Right now you are a conveyor belt, but it will still get to him. How will I speak to the chairman?
So look at me and speak. And Kokra match.
MPP party egu poto. Hey.
So you think that the echoes were MPP no? Me say by NDC mu. Is
that your wish or your dream?
No, it's a question. Let me tell you. NDC mu.
See, forget it.
Thank you, Tor.
I
said, didn't get ya.
Me say, thank you, Tor. Yebeko take you, Tor. Yebe keep it. Yebe bibia. Open party yebeko into election. Election has its own tension. Momo party no eguye answer na election. Even after election, na mo party egu. What you say?
We can on trend.
Oh, me say party no. Mo pe amon sati agenda. Mami ka cho. Scripture say. The spirit or the gift of the prophecy of prophecy is subjected to the prophet. Aside that, who read the book of Daniel chapter 2 verse 28, or says there is a God in heaven that revealeth mysteries and maketh known to the king that which is bound to happen in the latter days. He says thy dreams and thy visions are these, whilst you rest thy head upon thy bed. Aside that, there was a king and he turned his face to the wall and prayed unto God. And I didn't hear anything. So the fact say forget. Let me school you now. Master to when I come with you.
NBC frontier. Ansheye ade onyamede amamono 2028 muntimen to aso. Me kasa so onyamedi fo. Ana yenkrofo say political party bi ba ban mu a omutwa 2 terms. Omutwa 8 years. Send this for mo de mo ho to sa asem we say so a. Mo be disappointed.
All parties
only 1 term.
You will be disappointed if you are not careful. You will only last for 1
because
term.
Scale na me hu ye no.
Because the scale I saw,
to me
the power that brought you into power,
drop down.
The force and energy that brought you into power started to drop. Now, why is it dropping? Do something about it. Now you can mark today's date. Today is 28th of September 2025. If the members and leaders of NDC do not hear this message and they do not take the steps required of them to take, a time will come. Now,
and I will be promising me no disappoint me.
If
no be akoka say be I promise on the nyama and to no de abufuo be ka say mesramo obi am promise me
Now,
I
did not prophesy because I wanted something. I declared what the Lord revealed to me.
NDC Fontie. Adio Yamedia Mamono 2028 Muntimin to us. Make Casaso Yamidifo. Anna Yankro say political party Biba Bemua Omucha 2 terms.
Now
Omucha 8 years. Send this for Modemo to Sasua. Mubeye disappointed.
All parties
only 1 term.
You will be disappointed if you're not careful. You only
Mepaso Roger.
Yeah.
Prophecy way. About the NDC. Now, how do you react?
Yeah. Unim. Abochi.
Yes.
Nanka, na me expect say lawyer ebe exhibit a little bit. No. Me
person will react to it.
Me react to the. I do. When I me say based on the narration and a narrative of prophet na Amano. I'm not saying say a wrong prophecy, but picture me painting say utie contest na or say. So one year it's a caution. What is it? And a prophetic is meant to direct, rebuke, correct. Are you getting me? Oh, boy, I'm saying. My party gumu guamu now jam say. Oh, she say campaign. And master keep quiet.
From saying talk, son or cancer or the way ever. To make me walk a communion. So the baby John now. So they say, MPP party no good.
Urban spirit on the political party power. Catch up.
Can be good, mammy, Patron.
Spirit behind you are straight. Spirit behind you are the political party by power. There's no spirit behind the political party by power.
You don't believe in this prophecy?
Ghana for what to aba. Mobi by power.
You don't believe in prophecies?
I'm saying there's no spirit on a political party by power. No a political party be opposition. Ghana for 1 times. No, the Twaba was it Mobi Mobe president?
Aside that,
Eba, and I say, Ayenzeme, Ghana for Twamo. Sayenzeme, Ghana for Betuitio. There's no spirit that Ayen Yen power, Obama power, and that's Ayen Yen Marco position. And that's the point I want.
That,
all right.
Aside that, no, when it comes to the prophetic or the prophetic gifting, when a prophet prophesies, there are 2 things. It's either you sit idle for the thing to come to pass, or you pray to avert the thing. Into revelation abano, or same NDC for Muncheni, it's a caution. Now say MB before be am museum, KK, Master Montana ho. In Seneno. Won then times black and white president, Mr. President TV no 2028, Mobile Shana sa, and Moon Beshi, Amamo. What I say? Now, me catch you. I say on authority, say, let me tell you, we don't walk in flesh and blood. Tama Jesus Christ and the disciples no monam. And Uncle Fukika say, hey, he is Jeremiah, he is John the Baptist, he is that. And it's your phone the catch Jesus Christ say, people are saying a lot of things about you. And Jesus catch you almost say, you've been with me. You have seen me walk on the sea. You have seen me preach the word. You have seen me heal the blind, raise the dead. So who do you think I am? And the Bible says, "Muni na ye kum baby aye din." A pin crack to how better sound no. And Peter say, I know who thou art. Peter did not get that revelation by keep quiet and let me preach you. Peter say, thou art the Christ. And Jesus said, catch Peter say, flesh and blood did not reveal this unto you. You see, if MPP gets a little glance of a spirit of discernment, ka create MPP party no, by this time, they lack any spiritual connectivity. We NDC, we do not. Master, keep quiet. Mr. Mopati negu. Sisi ano egu ni di egu. Dia wa ne.
All All right, so the time is exactly 5 o'clock. You can call me now. 0260-196064. 0260-196065. Me pacho mema kwan ama etifo abadwumadi no so sesia. But reliably, I am informed, sir, there is a file here I would have to play. But there, I don't know. I mean, you know, me trying to say, yeah, we're going to. So, but me go am so me enti me ba ma me fa college we kakra. Me pacho, hello, good evening. Me pacho wana me na ka say. Maxwell, German South, Drobo. Na me pacho na what to say? Me pacho it's you why?
Ya boy, ya back Sompa. SOMPA FM.
Meda se pass by Jumedia so 0260-196064 0260-196065. Let's hear your thoughts. Bayenji Wadrinchire. Hello, good evening. Yes, me pacho etisai. Yo, Aribon me pacho it you.
Yenina ye tie SOMPA.
Na Oribon mami bisao. Dia ekoso MPP aman yokurum sesia ebi mu aka se eye krata mbehwe so a mo de beto aba ebi mu afa hye o ma motue mu no eye mo de ana. I think me pacho Oribon the abronye nature man untumi be kan no mofo omoso. Bye. Me pacho wadrinchire erede saying 0260-196064 0260 196065. So bet me afraid now we do a drink chirabe boy jubedi no SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Maybe I will be ano but we are telling you that we are giving you about 10 minutes for the call. So you can call now and let's hear your thoughts. Enjoy my drink today. So you become a part of the show. 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Minim say tape now ready now. Okay, you'll say and you're ready. But Roger, whilst we are with our course, anything to say?
I got plenty things to say.
Get you.
Na Kenya sema. Enya sema. Na ka MPP4 almost say why. And almost paying ebimba. Almost one day. Ebimba pay.
Oh, I'm in Fakolawi. I'll get back to you. Hello, good evening. Oh, good evening. Good evening. Hello. Me bacho original line also. Hello, good evening. All right, we change now so. Bacho meet you.
We say, MPP4 say almost say why. And almost paying ebimba pay. And almost like Queen. We say so ebi emba pay. Yeah. MPP party no. Ebeya. We say mo say why. Masa ekum. Untumi so akofie. Me you need abochi na ekasa.
Baba me fa call away. Hello, good evening. Oh, why lines no. Okay. Acho.
Inti abochi. MPP party no. Enya ade ebeye yende. Ebeye yochina. Ebeye yochina echi.
Me da say, me fa call away. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah. Bajo wana me ka say. Katamanto for am hot to say.
You are the one mun pa bone ka aban we dia ka prof agrada amamuno.
O say aban we I den.
We dia aban we dia enye prof agrada amamu agrada.
Na agrada wabebu amanda.
SOMPA ya pa we be di we na increase dey joma na yi. Ya pepepe.
Kawasam ne yanko.
No, Mamintia, Dr. Brandon Champo, incoming flag bearer, MPP.
Hey, now, debut. Now, so who a baby of trouble, no, Brandon Champo, and now support to Edana, what I know.
Brandon, now we can't Brandon one yada.
Debut, sir, first, no friend now, but in Fufro. They say, they'll say, Brian.
Oh, no, me more be anyone. Love you, Mohammed, woman organizer. And I'm a papa who attend Jaco, and also about national chairman. And I just Kodia. Milia. Now, me, you are in Cabinet, this is MPP for yes, any high. And the year the king knows who look at Obwa. And this is Bia, Peso, Diatema. Who I know from Kadam, they have the castle womb. No, a person can't say, but no lie. The American say, that's a form. Flop, and then South school placement in the day, and Upia, or na or Yamani school, or the call against the day school. They can say, SOMPA. Hello.
It's you, pa.
Every year, I make a salary in your call, a free secondary school. Then said, me what pass back, I want to win your school. The school, no, Yano, or a car, or more money day. And a day, no, of course, or what pushing here. I'm going to say, what do you mean, your she, no, obey the Yamana, until 10,000. And they were about 10,000.
Me Akafia, me but why no so until 10,000?
What you have to make us, let's say, according to our 12 weeks after program now, with the more person in normal amount. Now I can say what we started the American. And our quarrel, and will be back over and the 8,000. Now Obama Ghana school. What you say? The country Ghana for the NDC 4 ban. And your fracada, only a teacher follow headmaster talk. Come on, another buy and I need this Canada. Command your mate. The German your mama because and yes, I'm over a if you tell me what was you, all your people said, because someone want to say, now, come, oh, keep a company. Mama time video almost just
SOMPA FM
2028 umi ya tuapa ama Dr. Bwana Japon
so you can also call and be a part of the show 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65. Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening, no me pacho wine. Yeah, Daniel Kaswa and pacho you. Yeah, that's it. Me pacho from Abotchie. Where I'm gonna
Yenina ye tie SOMPA.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, we are
free from free Cantamanto.
SOMPA FM.
Love many of
yeah.
Doctor Yao or say a bitum. Only able to Frankama MPP. Unifa or on one can be in home. One on MPP didn't go. Good man, I'm not coming to Stella and a free family who is a prof number one. I was a Jew in the move.
Oh, Nyabisha.
I also saw the way I also saw policies and all. Will be straight, not to you mistaken, the will be correction on the who is only number one. Prof.
Nyamisha.
Yanko is now coming here. Why?
Hey,
Yanko is a normal young Canadian. Oh, serious.
Midasi, it's you. Call some. Oh,
you and your Joabia, meeting come and Mr. Bibri, Alpha and Grand Coma, you are Mahama say. Free as they just no cast one fan in Sankano. What's happened in the Seka? Yes, yes, a good one, no buy, no. Now, what I say, can a liver be a good school? Can a liver be a good school? So they buy a man, your woman that I not a baby, a job, because they say, politics here, a throw. And then the crack a crab in them, Chatron will be enough. One more chat for Baba Yaponian. Yes, I'm sure it's Lydia. And yet, that done of Wakuma Super Pim say Ghana Fono, and Yapo doors to chase Cambono. A good father town was saying, or Yenny Benjamin Atimota, or Yenny Benjamin a trumpet, or Pokua and Yadi. But I didn't hand this before. As I said, your person will yet threaten. One shot of an uncle.
Mammy, so dear cost will MPP among your quorum. Dear cost will MPP among your quorum soon saying. Dear cost will MPP among your quorum saying.
And but order school, young year when I was I know who become a Mayano. The school Nidiano. But okay.
Miss Silva.
Say, Uncle Passy, I see when. What do I think? We have not got to North. North France near money day. They must now for you now near money day. Open up a body. You can't see a bet you on Wuya, the Wuya, the attendant there, or Marco Lambert. And it's school man on Domo Sakano. And it's never my center. And about the Ubu, the airborne beat
Chairman, I brought you any chairman who to me on some more monkey.
You woman in an say, Yamiko Yadum. That's it, your program is new. You can't be funny. We are the Koso because in your battle, Obia will be or the American. Obia baby, or so, yeah, not to say, one who is here can be Kakatana, Yenyi, Penima, Pufrima, and to 2 women in the best of one may be the Yana Yamahamu and this was a but a woman also more. Obia, who is Obia, walk out and go for it. I cannot send back about it. As no one else from Longa
maybe that's so bad. Hello, good evening. Me pacho wana menene kasai. Bright party ben egu.
Sompa.
Oh, MPP.
SOMPA FM.
May I say pass over radio so let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
About one minute, I say.
Richard name, but if you are Central.
Yeah, boy, Richard across Central, Patrick.
Yo, I would never go or the Casa Position or TV today. What is the man? The first going you and this Luciano, not the fully gent for Naboana. Our Paka said, one more from Tiadano. The refugee, Mahama, I can't ask them. Our Siwaka, but going in Amon. What's the fully gent for Nabon? What can we in our car say? What this among what somebody call and for maybe a sister. Oma found Omudi. I will be here. One no say, Mahama, I say, you're a woman. I'm just having no Nigana, no Comali. I have a woman say, Sukua Samoa, Kana, Uniana say, we did to say, you're journalist in 10 things. Listen, that's all. Namika say, or more Case, yeah, a good father tower almost say, 3 just to be piano. Let me catch a kufa Mahama Bayano.
SOMPA FM.
No one say. What can she? Ujali and not come. I mean, could say that let me be and then you have to turn your man and your man aboard this. That's $2 buffer. You have to turn a kufa to Tamani Bono. Yes, I let you. A kufado. A man will be good and you've been a Mahame Buyamonfa. Mahama Moon to talk a kufado. I mean, will be on old Ghana Mount. I was again and be a good school. Not a woody. Mahama Memu, the person. What your position was saying. If you are not in Cremate, you crown a papa chain, a school for the Diano Muji. We were known as the organic school or buying Palano, Paladiani, one cassette or Bema, my schoolmaster's Namoa, and Wadiano, and they are going to say, and they are going to say, Mahama pursue school, no, Mahama pursue free.
Yo, Mammy now I see. Right. Medase. Hello, good evening. Yo, some package man, what about patriotic?
No so kwa koji kendini e dia ma MPP for the wo me do manima wo hwe be ti say said e na ye nya sanse nsem no na ye de ne fa ho e se ya no de ye wala njama ti aja papa nya me aya adoma wo fi ma wo koi nya me no 2028 no wo no papa wo miamra ye nda 2028 Ghana bo nyina hunu MPP na ndi zo mko
SOMPA FM
Ghana kwa ya 2028 no ye wala njama no me to abade ama no ndie fa wo do beba thank you pa wo pa e wo me ko wo mu no e de lu za bo nya ne chama wutumi wo mu kuro ye za so ne pena ye te Ghana MPP member wo mu nyina ne de benyansa wo mu nya no ye di papa ko pe de ala jam
me da say ma be fa last call na fa a friend Emre wie. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pa cho wana me ne ka say
ko to ko te ye
so tu me pa cho eti
yo me da say baby, na me share kwa MPP for the Ghana Faso. I hope you are Ghana for Komu. Then MPP for Kasa. The disability the Sankrofwe. I saw Obu Mferiana. Share I could find the shell well way. For sure, any party, MPP, remember one MPP party, and say MPP Adani last stock. What you say? MPP for Qatar. What you say? MPP for Qatar. That for full. Well, Akufado did you go forward to me? Lumini, if I say a boy, oh my, MPP who ya come on. Omunima membo na ne ya so mu back power 2028 no mo power 2028 what that about my back
that's it. I've got some birthday messages to do before
wish it to the birthday party
me patch but me last one we no original swatch me say my any bonnet. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Pastor Mo to say.
Yeah, who am Pastor Why you?
Pastor from Obaya.
Obaya, madam Pastor ka se free.
Me ka se agenta.
Yo, Obaya, madam Pastor iti why?
Me ya be ma. Me pese me bisa say. E ti se uni pomo fra. Ye ni bibia kana abro nye na adie ntumi. Eno sare na kire say. Ye wo ha. E na adie ken. Edidi adie wo man pani kufo da adie kufo ado. Se be ma enim no pacha, we better president.
David, Sassam no in Kayo.
SOMPA FM.
Yeah, but send him no mamma, no, I send him my wife. But Ude Uncle, by Iqua. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Chairman.
Me pato wani. Me pato wani.
Program no mo ye na me so me contribute to woman.
Yeah, but you're frozen.
Mr. Jones.
Who can say him?
Bogosu Junction.
Bogosu Junction. Okay, me pato it you.
Hello.
Mr. Jones, me pato it you. Oh, I'm so TO multi TV so. But yeah, in fact, call behavior. But I've gotten some few birthday messages to do right here. The Edikano, Miankasa Minuya, Mickey Charles. Mickey Charles, former CEO of Techiman City Football Club. Actually, obey me, see you at Team Nuguye. It's Mickey Charles. Today it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, bro. Yeah, happy birthday to you. God's blessings, best wishes. And of course, NDC Nikasiepa, best wishes. Yesterday, Nyame, Enkwa, Tinting the Mao. Yesterday, Nyame, Hoding the Mao. And of course, we want to wish you all the best in life. Today it's your birthday. Celebrate to the max. And to make it chance, but I was say, and anyway, say you are part of our program. And then I have another birthday to do. And of course, it's coming from Oting Ampofo Johnson. Oting Ampofo Johnson is a brother from another mother. But I can say the Chiakwang Ewo Techman, but I boga Kasiepa, and then I would happy birthday, Oting Ampofo Johnson. Best wishes to you, emanating from the team over here, SOMPA 106.5 FM from God and Country. Baby Obiano, long life and best wishes. Nyamin Shrao. And of course, I have another birthday wish to do. And this one, happy birthday to Raphael Ajiman Bequin of Abavana JHS. Wishing you a glorious birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Long life, prosperity, good health is what we wish for you. But yeah, but sorry, but quickly, Usu Bempasa Ma Okafa MPP Hono. A quick 190.
40 crowd way now say luck. Luck. And I'm a Santa Juan Twaba. Luck. And I'm a Regents who do I can't Twaba ma MPP. Luck. And I'm a MPP from Pubebran Twaba. Susu ya Jumunya to me, Yadman say luck. And yeah, luck.
Now, it's not about luck. Are you saying it was just luck out of a matter of chance?
What do you mom take care of serious? Mom take care of serious. Now, when you're luck.
I was therefore I had a remind Kwamedi Ejubedi see 5:30. Yeah, the hot bite news on the air by Auntie Akusia Gwabwaje Ewaha. I want to thank you, Lawyer Keke Sabe, Uncle Ebu Backman, thank you, and of course my good brother also thank you for being part of the show today. Nyami Aduma. Ochina Yebesisha on for God and Country. Yakamo Baba.